Recording.
Good morning, students. Today we're going to be mixing colors using our color wheel. We have an adjusted color wheel, so we have red, orange, yellow, greens, blue, and purples. And as you can see, the primary colors, your red, yellows, and blues, only have one circle in them because these colors are unable to be mixed, so we have to buy these colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill in using my Q-tips. We're going to leave the Q-tips in their primary color so that they do not get tempted to mix with them. And we're going to start by mixing up our first secondary color, orange, or perhaps it's going to be more reddish orange or yellowish orange. So we're going to take our Q-tip, just using one side of it, and put it on our mixing plexiglass over here. Try and be careful with your plexiglass. It can break. And you're going to use a clean paintbrush to then put these little dots, I just used just a tiny bit, we don't want to use a lot, to mix up an orange color. Now it's up to you to decide where your orange is going to go. Does it look more reddish or does it look more yellowish? I'm pretty sure this looks a little bit more reddish. It almost looks entirely red. So I'm going to put it over here on my color wheel next to the reds. Yep, it's pretty red. It's just a little bit orange. Then I could go on and try to mix another orange, so maybe this time I want to use a lot of yellow, maybe even 2 dabs of yellow, and just a tiny dab of red. I'm going to wash out my paintbrush using just a little bit of water and my rag over here to make sure my paintbrush is clean before I go back and mix it up. There we go. This one is looking a lot more orangey, perhaps even more yellowish orange. So I'm going to put this one more in the middle or maybe even towards the yellowish side. So try and get different oranges, different purples by mixing red and blue, different greens by mixing yellow and blue, and filling in all of these. There's also spots for brown. Brown and black is made by mixing all of your primary colors. So if I wanted to mix up a little bit more of a brown, I could add blue. This already has red and yellow in it. Wash out my paintbrush really quickly. And there we get kind of a, doesn't have a lot of yellow in it, so it's going to be kind of a purpley brown. Also black maybe. Yeah. So today you're just going to be experimenting with mixing colors. Make sure that you keep your primary colors separated by using the Q-tips, and wash out your paintbrush and dry it off so your waters don't get watery. That's your assignment today. Have fun.